Yes, guys, as requested, today I'm making some coconut drops. Yes, guys. So I will be working with, I'm a coconut, ginger, and dark sugar. Those are the three ingredients for this coconut drops. Yes, ox out my coconut, and then wash it off, and then I will be cutting it up small, guys. We want it to cut about this size. We don't want it too big or too small. Yeah. After we cut it up, then we're going to put it in the pot. Grate some ginger. It depends on how much ginger you like in yours. Then I'll be adding 2 cups of dark sugar, 1¼ cup of water. Combine that, guys. Make it boil. So the coconut cook for about half an hour. Make that the water they boil out and draw down. And then, yes, we're ready to drop the coconut. Now, coconut drops a drop. Yes, guys, after 10 minutes, you'll be able to take up your coconut drops because it will be set and ready to be eaten. Yes, people, you can try this easy recipe. Enjoy.